Hey guys, we are back with some Helicopter Boss 2. Carson, and we got Dallin, we got Jackson. We hope to get 500 likes or subscribes or more. That's our goal today. Maybe more in the future. We could make more videos in the future, but for this season, we're just going to make this one. Also the other one. So, hope you guys enjoy, and peace.
Yeah! That was epic! I was like, whoop. You do not know what the hell this helicopter is. So, like, oh shit! I just like poop out. Don't do that. I'm not watching you. Just don't do this. What? See it hurt? Ow! Shit!
Wait guys, be quiet. After this fail, we're going to do treadmill running.
Oh shit!
Okay guys, stop. Okay guys, we're going to do some treadmill. Guys, stop. Guys, okay. Now we're going to do some treadmill fails. Hope you guys like that too. Let's do some treadmill fails. Guys, doing treadmill fails.
Bitch. Let's go to 200. Carson can't go to 200. He can only go to. I can't go to 200. No. Here's how fast we'll go. So fast we can go. Oh. Now let's do some epic sliding at Jackson. Yay! Okay, we're gonna do our next.
Don't exit, dude. Okay.
I live.
No, dude.
Hey, just
our next video is going to be treadmill. We're going to put things on the treadmill, then we're going to get people to go behind the treadmill, then it's going to hit them. See ya.